Hi, my name is Shaunita.grase, and I am the Special Services Teacher here at Creighton for students with emotional disabilities. I teach a self-contained class which includes English language arts, math, science, and social studies. I'm excited to be here and I look forward to working with you and your child this year. In terms of assignments, homework, and assessments, all classwork is done in class. Occasionally, there may be homework assigned to my students. However, that homework will not be graded. That homework will be for enrichment opportunities to cover concepts that we covered in class. Also, I do have support staff here to assist me. I have Mr. Wright, who is our therapeutic assistant, and I also have Ms. Wilson, who is my instructional assistant. Both of them help with instruction and also with behavioral support. If you have any questions about grades, if you need to meet, or if you have any overall questions about your child's progress in my class, please feel free to call me or text me or send me an email. I look forward to working with each of you this year. Thank you.